Hi friends, it's me again, Jen. Do you know what I always do before bedtime? I pack my school bag. That way, I don't have to rush in the morning. First, I check my school timetable. I have math, English, and art tomorrow. So I pack my math book, my storybook, and my sketch pad. Okay, let's check the Tuesday schedule. I'll put a note here to practice drawing. Okay, let's put my books in neatly. There, all organized, all ready for a good day. I also pack my pencil case. Gotta have my pencils and crayons. Then I fill my water bottle and tuck in my lunchbox. Yummy! I zip everything up and leave my bag by the door. All done! That was easy, and now I won't forget anything. So remember, friends, pack your school bag the night before. It helps you feel ready and calm for a brand new day. See you in class! Dream big, little me. Sweet dreams.